The LumberMate Pro can be transported from site to site using the optional trailer package. It trailers easily behind any vehicle at highway speeds, as well as behind an ATV into the woodlot. The trailer comes complete with heavy-duty axle, full-size wheels, quick-release fenders, retractable and removable tow bar for security, double carriage clamps, and leveling jack. Setup time is 5 minutes. Add extra length to your log deck with Quick Connect bed extensions to temporarily extend your bed. These are ideal for milling longer logs on trailer-equipped LumberMates. Load even the biggest logs onto the log deck by yourself with the optional log loading system and ramps. It makes log loading, clamping, and turning an effortless task for one-man milling operations. Rotate logs and cants with the help of a cant hook or peavey, assisted by rollers built into the log rests. Or use the time-saving log rotating feature of the optional log loader system. This makes for fast rotating of large logs while holding the log firmly for dogging. And it's easy on your back, too. For stationary milling operations, equip your LumberMate Pro with the Norwood leveling stands. These extremely sturdy stands come in a set of 10. Each stand is adjustable to precisely level the mill, a critical function for accurate boards and beams. For speed and convenience, use the Norwood board off-rollers. Lumber and slabs can be quickly directed away to a waiting trailer. The rollers are easily moved into position or out of position as required. Raising the small end of the log to compensate for taper will increase lumber yield. The Norwood roller tow boards make log handling easy for log taper compensation, as well as for log repositioning. Now available from Norwood is a unique device that enables rapid cycle times of logs from 6 inches to 16 inches in diameter. This patented device allows the operator to quickly rotate and dog small and medium-sized logs by hand in 13 seconds or less. To square a 10-inch log 8 feet in length will take less than 2 minutes. There is no faster system than this. This rapid dogging device is particularly useful for areas that have many small and medium-sized logs, such as with plantation forestry, the maritime areas of Canada, and also select regions in European and South American countries. The rapid dogging device comes in a set of 2 and can quickly be installed or removed as required. It is designed for use with either the LumberMate Pro or the Lumber Lite. Lap siding and shingles can be milled directly on the LumberMate Pro or the Lumber Lite by using the Norwood lap siding and shingle jig. In the lap siding configuration, boards can be milled down to a feather edge or to any taper of your choice. The lap siding jig is simple to operate and can be instantly changed over for shingle making. One unit enables 2 shingles to be made on each pass. Add a second or third unit to double or triple production. The LumberMate Pro can be fitted with your choice of powered or hydraulic feature at any time. They can be added to a newly purchased mill, or they can be added years after. The hydraulic features available are log loading arms with quick disconnect fittings and release pins. The log loader arms are designed for easy removal for safe trailering. This same quick connect system also enables a fast 3-minute setup. Other hydraulic features are a dual direction hydraulic log turner, log rests, a 4-direction log dog, roller tow boards and log positioner, and a board return device. A pendant controller is supplied for throttle and clutch activation, power carriage feed and chain drive system, powered saw head up and down, and adjustable speed control. The controller is magnetized to hold fast wherever it's placed. The hydraulic log loader enables loading of logs up to 3,500 pounds. The hydraulic tow boards operate in 2 ways. First, for log taper compensation, and secondly, for log repositioning. The tow boards enable sawing more parallel to the grain for additional lumber yield. When using the log turner, logs are raised and then rotated to obtain the best position for milling. To suit various sawing requirements, forward speeds are easily adjusted on the go. The speed adjuster is integrated into the handheld controller. An optional board return feature is also available. This device enables faster cycle times for solo operators. The log rotator is also used to roll logs into position for the second and third cuts. The powered carriage and powered saw head are packaged together as one single option. An optional board return is also available. The hydraulic log dog and hydraulic log rests are also available as a single combined option. All other hydraulic features, log loader, log turner, and tow boards are available individually or in any combination. In this way, you need only purchase the features you require now, while knowing they will still be available to add as your business grows or your budget allows. For the final squaring cut, the 4-way acting log dog is used to manipulate and rotate the cant, thereby preventing corner tear-outs of the squared timber. At Norwood, we constantly strive to meet the changing needs of our customers. This is why all Norwood accessories can be added at any time when you're ready for them. You are never forced to make a decision up front and then have to live with it. This means your initial investment is safe, and you can upgrade any time from a manual LumberMate Pro to one equipped with hydraulics and power. Norwood is the only company capable of growing with your needs in this way. We promise to continue this tradition.